Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Science, and today we're actually going to be destroying this Samsung, or we're going to see what's inside. We're going to get this Dremel right back here and cut the TV right down the middle, and we're going to see what's inside of it, and after that we're going to take a machete and chop it and hack at it. But it actually, before the people that in the comments, or probably not in the comments, probably just thinking about hating on me for destroying a perfectly fine TV. It was made May of last year, which is 2017 last year. So you can see there's lines. The camera doesn't pick it up, but there's actually a line going right there, and then there's a bunch of lines down here. So it is a destroyed TV. It was at one point really good, but let's get right into cutting this in half. I don't know if it's gonna cut that in half, but maybe. I'm going to obviously turn the TV off, get shoes on, get safety glasses, and we'll get started. Okay, I got everything plugged in. Well, not yet. I got an extension cord for my Dremel. And sorry if it's moving because I have it on a weird stand and the wind is really strong, kind of. So I got the TV here, and we're gonna cut it open. I got my safety and I got shoes, so you can't see right now. Oh my god. But I have shoes, and let's start cutting this thing open. Alright guys, there's a slight problem. This gets so hot when I cut it. It melted my blade on here, so I'm going to get another one and we'll try it again. We're almost all the way through though. I don't know if we'll get all the way through and actually tear it in half, but we will get pretty close, I think. I got some of the screen cut. So let me get another blade on this and we'll continue. So I just got a couple more blades, and I'm going to open them, take a blade off the Dremel, which is like really melted off, and we'll put a new blade on here. Hold on, let me turn this like this. Alright, so we got this unloosened, and let's put another blade on and continue cutting the TV. Okay, we got the new blade on, which is right here. Where's that other one? This was, oh, it's right here. This was the other blade that is burned down. It's cut in half, but that's how small it was compared to that one. So, time lapse, go. Alright guys, so change of plans. This is not going to work. It just burned the blade down again. I don't know what's wrong with this screen, but let's just go straight to cutting it with or hacking it with a machete. So I think I'm gonna just swing as hard as I can and hit right here on the top. So let's do that, and let me find my machete. Found my machete now, and here it is, and we're just gonna hit as hard as we can right there on the top right here, and we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna take a slow-mo shot, and then I'll show you that same slow-mo shot in regular speed. Alright guys, so we got quite a bit of damage here. You can see where I cut with the Dremel right down here like that, but there's not too much other damage other than you can see all the way down there and inside the TV right there, and then that's also where I cut with the Dremel. So let's hit it again, but this time I'm going to hit it sideways right on the side. So slow-mo. Again, you can see right here where I hit it, and this plastic. I'm gonna take this plastic off. Ooh. I think the screen's gonna come out ooh, the screen already came out. I don't know what this is, just filament or lighting. Here's the screen that was burning my Dremel blade out. There's that. So it came in, and this is not from my Dremel, this is from it. I'm not gonna touch that too much because that looks like it's glass. But yeah, I cut right here. Now I'm just gonna go as like hard as I possibly can on the top here, like so. Yeah, so that's good. So. I got this damage. I cut right through the screen and right through all the internals until right there. So now I'm just gonna hit the screen right there, and then we'll try to turn it on and see if we see any sign of light. And then if I do, this crazy, like, I do have Sony TVs, like a gaming TV that I use. But yeah, they're good company. I'm gonna see if it still turns on. I'm gonna hit it just on the screen right here, then we'll see. Alright, so it fell over, and you can see how I hit kind of sideways, and I'm gonna get some gloves on, and then we'll kind of like rip the screen up a little bit and see if we can see. Actually, yeah, let's try to turn it on really quick, and then we'll see how far all the cuts went in. Here it is, guys, and let me get my screen's like hanging down a little bit, so you can see in there. But let me get the power cord. Where is the power cord? It's right here. And let's plug it in and see if it turns on. Alright, so we have the TV here. Let's bring the power outlets over here. I have no doubt that it's not gonna, wait, no, let me rephrase that. I don't think this side's gonna turn on because it's pretty beaten up. But I do think this side is, because it's not even cracked on this side. And the power cord is on this side, so if it was on since it's on this side, I think I might have hit like the circuit board or whatever, and it will not allow the power to go through to the other side. So let's plug this in, the TV this way, and plug it in. Oh, cord's crushed. There you go. Alright, plugged in. And we're turning on it now. There's a light right there. I don't see any sign of light. Oh my gosh, guys! Look! Oh my gosh, you can kind of see it right there. Hold on, let me get up closer. No way. Guys, you can see the LCDs, or the LEDs, are still lighting up. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Look, and you can see it lighting up over here. It's really it's really like, it's really bad though. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't believe that. That's so awesome. Even this side lit up too. Alright, we're gonna kind of destroy it some more because it still turns on. There's a light down there that I saw first, and that's it right there. And let's turn it off. There it is. Okay, let's destroy it some more. Now, for no reason at all, I'm just gonna drill it right down there, like this. Has to go all the way through, guys. It's as far as the drill bit goes. Definitely in there. It went all the way through. Now, guys, I'm going to be dropping this trailer hitch on it. And if you know how heavy a trailer hitch is, you'll know how much pain this TV is going to be taking. So, let's just throw it on there in slow motion. Ready, set, go. Here's the TV. The trailer hitch bounced all the way over here. So I threw it like this, and I think it went exactly like this, or it went the other way around. But here's the damage, guys. Look, you can see where I think the ball hit there. and then like the rest of it just total this. So we're gonna turn it on, see if it turns on. There's extra piece of TV over there. We're gonna see if it turns on now, and it'll be surprising if it does, but I don't think it will. Okay, so we have it plugged in, and we're gonna turn it on. Where's the button? Yeah. Ready? I see a light down there. Fine. Yo! That's not the frame rate. It's actually doing that. That's not the frame rate. My eyes can see that too. It's actually like blinking, flashing off and on. Alright, let's like look in here and see what the deal is, why it's doing this. Alright, so I'm turning it off, unplugging it, and we're gonna turn into this. Let me get some gloves on, and then we'll be a little safer, and then we'll rip into this. Alright, so I got some latex gloves, and we're gonna kind of rip into this a little bit. These things don't fully protect me, but they protect me a little more than just digging in with my hands. And this is all kind of, I think this is all glass. Let's get a screwdriver or a hammer like this and just go. Alright, there we go. Now let's get this off. And then here, guys. Oh my gosh. This is all always burning like blades off. So in here you have the LEDs right here that flash on and off. So let's turn it back on and see if they still flash, because I just hit it and I have the power. So let's turn it right back on. Plug it right in. Here we go. Nothing's happening. Oh, well, they just keep flashing like that now, I guess. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I think we destroyed it, guys. Definitely not supposed to flash. So you have an LED, this is how an LED TV is. It's just LEDs and pixels, and older TVs, they don't have LEDs, they have, forget what they're called. Brain farted during the video, obviously. So, yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next science video, and peace!